Want to make money online without spending a single kobo in this 2025? This 5 beginner-friendly method will get you started today, even if you are broke, right? We don't have any money with you, right? So I'm end with Dami, and if you are new to this channel, we talk about making money online every day on this channel, which every video was released every day on this channel. So if you are just joining us on this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you find this video helpful, right? So this 5 business will get you out of where you are today, okay? Just need to focus and learn the steps very well. The first steps and first method I will first of all show you, right, is freelancing, okay? When I start freelancing on platform like Fiverr, Upwork, like if you are beginner and I don't know what freelancing called and what to do on freelancing, freelancing is just like you have your skills, right? And you render the skills to people's online so that you get money in return for that offers or the service you give to people's online, right? So there's some platform like Fiverr, Upwork that you can join and start making money right now. And then there's pay per hour that you can join and as you're freelancing and start. But what I think is that you can start with freelancing. And how can you start with freelancing? Right? So what you need to do is that you can do content writing, you can do social media management, and all these skills. You don't need to be an expert in all these skills before you start making money with them. So what you need, and simple things you need is that if you have ChatGPT on your phone, which is AI, so I will do a special video on that on how to use ChatGPT to start your freelancing business, right? So that it will be easy for you. The next method right here is that affiliate marketing, okay, using the free traffic. Right? So once start affiliate marketing, and we don't have any single dime to get started with affiliate marketing, there's some free platforms that you can join and there's some free tools that you can use to generate your traffic and start making money with affiliate marketing. So as you are making money to scale up, right? The third method right here is that creating or selling digital products online. So a lot of people get confused about digital marketing and affiliate marketing. Okay, so when we are talking about affiliate marketing, we are talking about partner with someone, okay, and sell their product. But when we are talking about digital marketing right here, so we have some products by ourselves that can render to people and make money, right? So when you are talking about creating or selling digital products online, is like you create a template, you create a ebook, and you start selling it online with the help of ChatGPT and a Canva. It's easy. Just use ChatGPT and a Canva to sell all these products and you start making money every day in this online space, right? And the fourth method right here is that online tutor or WhatsApp classes, right? So a lot of people make money by teaching people online. If you are someone that know a lot in maybe like mathematics or jam or anything, you know how to solve for these things, you can just create an WhatsApp class. Then you charge people for money to join the WhatsApp class, or you create the online tutor and they pay to join your online tutor group. Okay. So that's how we make money when it comes to online. And this is legitimate money, right? No fraud money, right? So the last steps right here is that you need to understand this very well. So selling ELR ebooks or templates. So this is getting out before you can get a PLR ebooks online, you need to have maybe a minimum of $100 before you get this. But at the end of this video, I'll give you this PLR ebook for free. Okay, so what you need to do is to go to the comment sections and type PLR ebooks in the comment sections. Then I will reply to you, right? So you get access to the PLR ebook. You are someone that have interest in it, right? So just go to the comment section and type PLR ebook. So what PLR ebooks means is that there's some ebooks and some PLR that you can get and you start selling it. Like they will not charge you for use content. Once you join, you pay, you join, you download every ebook that you need and you start selling it and you start making money in this online space. Right? So if you find this video helpful, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe, share these videos with others.